Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. I'm coming on to show you some papers that I've been creating with the AI programs. I'm going to be putting them up in my BuyMeACoffee shop, so I will leave the link to that if anybody's interested. But I've really been having such a lot of fun doing these. I first got into it the end of last year, beginning of this year, you know, when I was off on my break from social media, shall we say. And I don't even know how I stumbled across it, but anyway, I think I just saw the word AI and I thought, well, what's all that about, and looked into it and started doing it, and I was like, oh yes, this is me, I love it. And I've got absolutely thousands of images and I've not shown any of them yet. So yeah, so we've got Freda. She's beautiful, I love her. But it's such a lot of fun. And these are printed out. It's on this paper. Somebody's bound to ask. Silky touch. So it's not expensive paper, and it's just on the normal setting. I haven't used the best quality, I just did normal setting, but it's, you know, it's not pixelated or anything. They're lovely. Got courage. Swan. Oh God, I'm enjoying it, doing these so much. Our granddaughter popped over yesterday, and I was actually upstairs. Well, I was stood here, and she shouted at the bottom of the stairs. I said, oh, you can come up, I'm in the craft room. And she came in, she says, oh Nanny, she says, gets less and less space in here every time I come. Oh dear, I says, I know. And then I showed her some of these, and she says, oh, it's Freda. I says, yeah. And then when we get to the bottom of this, near the bottom of this pile, there was one. She says, it's okay to be different, Nanny. She says, I'm not really sure what I think of, but not this one, the one at the bottom, or near the bottom. She says, I'm not really sure what I think of this. I said, well, we can't all like everything. That's all right. But I'm very pleased with how they printed out. I don't know quite what had gone on with that one. I must have been a really tired night, but I'd not got it quite to the edge there, but it doesn't matter, it's still pretty. It's pastel one. Then we've got the curler ladies. I know. I can't help it. I just have weird things going on in my head. But I love these. Oh dear, dear. I just said to Mr. Doodle, right, have I just shown you that one? One similar? Yeah, it is. It's just different around the edge. I said, oh, I'm going to go and do this other video. and I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, and then I'm going to come back down and bring my iPad, and then I'll be doing this again then. Messy Mona. I think could be called quite eclectic. My things, can't I? I don't sort of just have one thing. I just I like it all. I just love everything, apart from white. You all know that we don't do white. I can cope with this white around there. I've done a whole heap of these, but I've not got them finished off yet. Weird is loads of hairs. Done loads of hairs. Oh, this one was my granddaughter. She's just not really sure. I don't know whether I really like it or I really don't like it. She says, "Why, what's wrong?" She says, "It's the lemon, it's freaking me out. It's got eyes and it looks like it's got spaghetti coming out of it." Well, my daughter's been over today, but she didn't have time to look at these. She's not generally interested anyway. I did show her all my iCads the other day and she did like those. But she wouldn't like this one. She doesn't have the weird gene. My granddaughter does more, which was why I was surprised that she found that a bit freaky. And some little meerkats. It's that one, and then there's a few small ones. I just printed this half size. Groovy baby. That's the Freda one again at half size. Is that one? Curler Girl. I think these are all just the same but half size. Oh, and then there's this one. I've done loads of these as well. And I've just realised there's... Oh, well, I can show some more another day. There's some more that I wanted to show. I love that one. I have captions in my head, but we won't go there. Yes, so that's all I've got to show you. As I say, I'm going to be putting some of them. I don't know how long it'll take me to list them. Some of them will be freebies. So, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.